Okay, how do I look, Mom? I got sunblock on me here, so okay. Anyways, I'm here at 5305 Unit D, and we had a problem with the door not staying open entirely. In fact, the resident here was saying they were using a stick to prop it up here. I guess pretty much that was during the wetter times. That's when we received the call, and that's what kind of problems they were having, was that the door was not staying open. My thought is, naturally, as this absorbs water, it gets heavier and wants to come down. Well, it is a little, I think say it's balanced nicely now, but with a little extra water, who knows, you know, what would change it. So let's see. What I'm gonna do is, so right now it is kind of working well. I guess it's balanced nicely, but I'm still gonna make an adjustment to help it get through a slight wind or some weather, but it's good. Yeah, I can make it better, I think. So you'll see. In fact, some of those squeaks, I'll make those go away too with some lubrication, and that's on the house. Okay, one last, well, actually getting into this and checking this in terms of an inspection here. Look at that. That is bad. Look real close, because this is supposed to be thicker, stronger, and at some points it's kind of worn out. Look at that. Can you see that? It's worn out and shaved off on some sides. I can't see the side, but this side is extremely bad. The other side, oops, okay. The other side as well. We really need a hardware change on this. So yeah, this one is also bad. I'll take some still photos as well, but the whole point is it's just about to wear off and fall off. Kind of see how much play is in there now. Oops, there. It's not in good shape. Let's just put it that way. We need a new set of hardware on both sides, okay? A set meaning left and right. Okay, so that's that. That goes without saying. I'm gonna take some photos now. So best done with two hands. I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's see what I can do here. Oh, there we go. Look how much movement we have on that. In fact, I filled most of the gap up here with the lubrication to do what I can, but it is still bad. Really bad. This thing is supposed to be solid. In fact, as you can understand, that's the main control arm, okay, for this whole door. Literally, that's actually where all this weight is being distributed on. It's all pushing down on that. Not only that, this side is pulling as well, because that spring has tension. Now, so when it opens, it's all basically pivoting on the same spot, right? But it's still getting pulled down by the spring on this side, and then the weight of the door on that side. So it almost has twice the weight distribution. So I was trying to get rid of that squeak. I just don't like squeaks. So that's a little bit of movement there. And if you can kind of see, that's where all the action happens. So if that bolt breaks, this whole thing wants to come down. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's almost sucked in. Actually, it is. It's sucked in there. This is going inside the metal. This side is coming out right here. And that's kind of frightening. Okay, so we got to fix that. Sorry for the blurriness. I still can't find that squeak. I think I found it though. Since the resident isn't here right now, I just wanted to show that we're locking this door. It's working fine. Actually, let's do that last part. I'll show you everything working. Hopefully I got that squeak gone too. Yeah. Oh, I kind of heard a little bit. Okay. Open. Good. Safe to go in. And we're gonna close it. Okay. Okay. Squeak is gone, I think. Okay, gotta kind of kick it a little bit with this door and framing and all. So lock it. Confirm it. Locked out. Hope I didn't leave anything in there. Okay, that's it. I got a picture of that. Done.
Choose a quality garage door. Yeah, a quality garage door.